Okay, what's good? We're live, right? So let's get started. We've already had a pretty good day today. Let's try to keep that momentum going, right? Let's try to keep that momentum going. Am I right? So let me send it to the Discord. Bada bing, bada boom. Nasdaq is pumping, right? Let me put it. Oh damn! Holy shit! I thought about buying it right before the open, right here. Holy shit! That would have been amazing. Holy shit! That would have been. Ah, that was only 38 points. I just tricked myself into believing that was a massive move. It really isn't. I mean, looking on 1 minute is decent, right? But yeah, I thought about buying it right here. Didn't execute it, but yeah, that's decent, right? Okay. Damn. Well, that's the open, right? Nasdaq could actually move even higher. Looking at the 15-minute, like we have a vector over here. They can easily rip it even higher. That would be 120 points from my entity. Didn't take it, but yeah. Yeah, look at that. They're ripping it, aren't they? I don't want to buy that Nasdaq right now. I mean, I could. I could. Nah, that's too risky. I mean, they can't keep on going, of course, but I'm just gonna pussy out from this one this time. We could buy Dow Jones actually. We could actually be thinking about buying Dow Jones. We could be thinking about that, like right now, this very second. I don't like the aggressiveness, right? But the buying on a Dow Jones looks like an option. It really does. Like this level is pretty important. This is where they started the shift out. This is where they started the move to the upside, right? And this is what I thought about being a buyer. didn't do it, right? Thinking is not doing. So, but let's see. Hmm? Ah, missed that down. Shit. Look at that. That would be stop loss at break even. That's it. Let it ride, right? So it would be banging like 30 points in profit. That was like looking right now, that was such a good idea to do, right? Like that would have been such a good trade, right? From this where the line is. And it happened pretty quickly. Because this is the open, right? So and, yeah. I think Nasdaq could continue and push higher. So well, we'll see. They just had a little retrace. How big that retrace was? That was 30 points. So let's set the parameters in. So around 30 points is the retrace on the Nasdaq. And from the position I was thinking too long, it would be around 70 points in profit right now. And look at that Dow. I'm okay. Now I'm feeling okay not buying it, right? I would be frustrated being stopped out break even here and then not taking the profit, or I would have taken the profit there. I'm not sure, but yeah, they just stopped out all the traders who went long here and had their stop losses at break even, basically. The smart ones, like me, right? Yeah, I'm not that smart. I'm still thinking about those longs on the Dow. It's a little bit toppy. A little bit toppy formation on 1 minute, but we have a gap in a Dow Jones, which I think will get filled today. Like it would make sense for them to fill it today, right? This gap. So yeah, it would make sense for them to fill this gap today. I would not be surprised at all. Like at least tap into this gap. So we could be looking for shorts instead of longs, right? That would make more sense, probably. And the Nasdaq is stronger than the Dow Jones, and the retraces on a Nasdaq would make sense. But I would wait for them to recover these vector candles, right? And then make some sort of a bottom formation. And then maybe engage in longs on the Nasdaq. Dow Jones, is it gonna rip it, right? Like straight away? Are they just gonna rip it? Like this is, yeah, of course, a support area. But they have to tap into this gap, right? What's the percentage? Like, I don't know. 80% of gaps get filled in 3 days? Something like that. You can correct me on the statistics, but that's just how it is, right? Me now, maybe a fake out to the upside, stop out, or shake out the short orders, right? Shake out the shorts. So go below this low, shake it out, and then make a move. But we'll see. Now we just have to wait out. Maybe just take the setups, not speculate too much by ourselves, right? Just take the setup and that's it. But we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I mean, if you were scalping, you could short Dow Jones at this high. If you are scalping, stop loss, really tight one, and then hope for the best, right? Just for a really quick scalp, right? Short above the high. Look at that. It would be short right there, and now you will be riding it. Stop loss at break even, right? And that's it. Look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing scalp, right? That was just an amazing scalp example, right? So Nasdaq is recovering. Recovering these vectors, and I want to buy the Nasdaq. Come on, give me a better price. Give me a little bit better price. That's kind of a retrace I wanted on the Nasdaq. Didn't fucking buy it. That was the retrace. Come on. It is a retrace I wanted. Not wanted. But yeah. And yeah, Dow Jones did exactly that. They worked the low, shake out the shorts right now, and then continue down lower. How big is the shakeout gonna be? I don't know. Maybe up to here, right? Maybe up to here. Oh, I don't fucking know, right? But yeah, I didn't fucking buy the Nasdaq. Didn't buy it. We would be in a profit. Banging profit. I mean like 30 points, right? Which is like 600. So Dow, as I said, worked the low, went down to the low, now shaking out the shorts before moving down. That's what I'm expecting, right? Is it gonna happen? I don't know. This is just what I saw happen and what I saw could happen, right? And it looks like it for now. And this is what it looks like. Is happening. Maybe I should not let it get into my head, right? That I wanted to be a buyer of Nasdaq over here and over here. Buy Dow Jones over here, sell over here. Is Dow Jones gonna make a bigger fake out? Or are they gonna make a bigger bounce from this low? Am I wanna be a buyer? I just bought the Dow Jones here. I'm expecting them to shake out shorts a little bit more. That's of course risky, right? That is of course risky, but this business is risky. So that's the stop loss right there. Yeah, I know it's a bit pretty, you could say big one, right? But it's okay. I'll move it. I'll move that stop loss. Now I'm thinking, what do I want to move it? Maybe 40. Like, let's do 40. A little bit higher. Yeah, I missed that Nasdaq long. I'm just basically buying around these lows. And hoping for them to do a fake out before making a move to the downside. I'm pissed about that Nasdaq. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie, not gonna lie. I'm a little bit pissed about that Nasdaq. Come on, Dow. Come on. Doing the same shit, right? The same as previous 5-minute candles, right? Weakened highs, coming back down. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. And I'm going against my pre-analysis, right? Because I thought that was gonna like make a move to the downside, but before that, I thought they're gonna stop out the shorts. Like they can still do that. Don't get me wrong. I'm still in that position, but they can go as low as here, right, and then come back up, and we should be okay with that. I mean, we are. So let's see. Let's just wait and see. I think they need to shake out the shorts. I do think so. I do believe so. And the fact that Nasdaq is looking strong, right? We're basically at break even right now. So, yeah. Basically at break even. Like all the way to these highs, that would be a 100-point move. We're risking about 90 points, so test of those highs would be fucking lovely. This vector, I mean, they did recover like half of it, right? But they still have some money left to go up, right? We'll see. We'll see. 1 more minute left until 5-minute closes. 1 minute is looking sketchy, right? But let's hope for the best. 1 minute is also always looking sketchy. Oh, look at that Nasdaq. That's the part that I don't really like about trading, right? You just eat yourself up. But that's also a part where you learn to ignore some of your thoughts that are not good for you, right? You know? So come on Dow. Break it. Look at the Nasdaq. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Come on. That's my fake out. Come on. Shake all the shorts. Shake them out. Go up. Shake them out. Shake it. Come on. 30 points in profit. More like 20, but say 30 points in profit. Yeah, it looks like we bought a support, right? But actually, I was looking for a fake out. break of this low, right? They did not give a lot of money to the shorts to play around with. They just wicked it and just wicking it and coming back up. That's the fake out. Maybe stop loss to break even, right? Or are we gonna give it more room to breathe? So my risk is like 90 points, right? I could decrease it now. But it's no point right now, right? Like it's moving. Whenever I have to, I will do it. And I'm hoping for a 100-point move, right? That would be good. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. They're at resistance area right now, right? They're fighting the resistance up here, right? So that was a decent move, decent bounce. We'll see. Like I doubted that we're gonna see these price levels again, right? I doubt it. It's possible, but I doubt it. I just want like maybe up to 600 for it to go around 600, maybe a little bit higher, and then I will be saying, okay, maybe it's good enough, right? I'm not expecting them to shift out to 800 or something. But it could happen. It could. It could. I would like to see more strength, right? For it to be happening. Right now, yeah, it's looking good, right? I'm just battling that resistance over here. I need more. A whole lot more. Like this NASDAQ move. This is what I would love to see on a Dow Jones right now. But is it gonna happen? You know. You know. So around 40 points in profit. So basically half of the risk that we had. It's not enough. But that resistance area is, is working its magic. That resistance is working its magic. Let's just wait and see. I mean, Nasdaq is pulling back down. Dow Jones is reacting to it, but now they do have more strength to the upside, right? It feels like it, at least. At least it feels like they have more strength to the upside after this candle's printed, right? But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe it's gonna be a bad position. Who knows? Who knows? Add-on? Add-on to the Dow Jones? It's tempting. It's tempting to add. I need that 5-minute close. Real good. I need that 5-minute. Yep. Nice, nice, nice. Push up, push up. Push it up. Lovely, 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 lovely price action. Loving it. Loving every one bit of it. That's good. Fuck. No more. Well, I didn't add, right? I didn't add. But Nasdaq just did add a retrace back into the zone, which I might be interested of buying. Or is it just I'd rather add to my Dow than buy Nasdaq. Actually, so stand by Dow Jones. I'd rather add to the Dow Jones than buy the Nasdaq. I mean, it's looking good, right? I just want to see a little bit more strength, right? Come on, come on, come on. No, I don't really want to buy here. I don't really want to buy this resistance. But resistance do get broken. Nice. Didn't add. Didn't add. Didn't add. I was really thinking about it. Like I was. Okay. So Nasdaq and Dow are doing absolutely the opposite. They're doing absolutely the opposite, and Dow Jones just rejected that area as of right now. But let's see. Stop loss to break even. Right. Stop loss to break even, and that's it. And that's it. If they're gonna stop us out, let it be. Let it be. Maybe Nasdaq shorts below this. Now that I'm looking at it, this could have been a fake out, right? Are they bouncing right now and making new all-time new highs, right? Or they just did a fake out, did everyone dirty, and now ripping it down together with the Dow Jones. We'll see. We do have news coming out. I'm gonna take my 20 points in the Dow and wait for the news. I'm taking it out. I'm just gonna wait out for the news. The news is coming up in a minute. So let me just take it out, secure it, and wait out for the news, right? We could have gambled it, right? But let me just lock in. You know, it could shoot up, right? But whatever. Better safe than sorry, right? Better safe than sorry. So 30 seconds until the news are presented. 20. 15 seconds. Is it gonna shake the market? I don't think like a lot, but like if I think it's gonna shake it, but not a lot, right? So yeah, Nasdaq did react. Dow Jones not so much. So Nasdaq would have called for a short right here, and the setup says so, but I don't want to trade on the news, right? I don't really want to let the news play dictate the outcome of the trade, right? But we could. I can. I can short the Nasdaq right here. I really can because the signal is here. The setup is here. So just stand by. Maybe we'll get a better price. They're doing the like they recovered that vectors, these vectors 30 on a Nasdaq. Perfect. Like 30. It was a good decision to take out the Dow Jones, as you can see. As you can see, it was a good choice. Maybe we go short on a Dow. We do have some sort of a double bottom on a Dow Jones right here. That's a problem, of course. But are they gonna make a bigger one, right? Like bigger W formation? Like the buyers could step in right here, right? You know, but Dow Jones, Dow Jones, Dow Jones. I think Nasdaq could shift out from here if they're ready to make that move to the upside, right? Because they recovered these vectors. I was thinking about going short, but I didn't take it, right? And now they're going up. Dow Jones looks interesting. Is it aggressive move to the downside on the Dow Jones? Do I want to be short here? Am I taking the short on the Dow Jones? They do have a... Do I want to be short here? I kind of do. Of course, this is a support area in a bull market, right? This is a support area in a bull market. This is what's stopping me taking the shot. Maybe I should have taken it, right? Maybe I should have. Maybe I should have fucking just taken it. But I'm not seeing that volume that I want to see on a breakout. Like, yeah, this candle had decent amount of volume, but not too much, right? This is not out of the norm. I was ready to short it, I'm not gonna lie. Why didn't took it? Because we are in a bull market and this is a support area. They do have zones to go down. They can easily go down. And now they're trying to work this gap. Fuck. Now they're working this gap. They will start working it pretty soon. And that's exactly what I expected at the start of the session with the Dow Jones. Exactly that. Exactly that. To the T, basically. What I said was, expect them to break this low, make a fake out, like scare off all the short traders we took along here, right? Took out the profit, and then make a move to the downside. What happened? Exactly that. I didn't take the short, and that's on me, right? Because the statistics says that you have to buy support on a bull market, right? And we would be short in it, so statistics would have not been on my side. And I was like, we had a, like in my mind, I thought like we had a good day today. We locked in like 200 on a Dow Jones already. Do I want to risk it? Do I want to risk today's profits? I was like, like, do I want to risk today's profits? Short in a support in a bull market? Not really. I don't want to do that. But the setup did look nice. The setup did look nice. Everything looked nice, but my rational mind said you don't want to do that, and I didn't do it. Simple as that. Am I regretting it? A little bit. Just a little bit. Because my intuition kind of said, like, do it. Just fucking do it. You knew that was going to happen. Well, NASDAQ is trying to hold, right? It's holding. It's holding. Maybe they want to make a move. But when you look at it from different perspective, when you look at different perspective, they're stuck in the range. They're stuck in the range. So Dow Jones is working that gap. I was expecting them to fill today. They're working on it. Working really fucking nice. They're working on it really fucking nicely. Look at that, just straight move to the downside. I think I'll leave the Nasdaq alone. It's a little bit ancient, right? Don't know what to expect from it. Like it's not as clear as Dow Jones today. So I think I'll focus on the Dow Jones. I mean, longs is an option, right? But for how long? How big the retrace is gonna be, right? Are they gonna stop here and then just go down? Or are they gonna make it all the way back to here? But the retrace is on the line with the Dow Jones. So, yeah. What you would like to see after a move like this? Same stuff happening on the opposite side. Basically, them continuing going higher, right? If you are in longs, this is what you would like to see, and not some bullshit like they're doing right now. You would not like to see that if you are in longs. Now the question is pretty simple, right? Do I want to be a buyer here thinking that this is a fake out? Or do I want to be a seller thinking that this gap is going to get filled? Simple as that. You just got to make a decision, right? Do you think this gap is going to get filled? Or do you think this is a fake out? And make a decision. Simple as that. That's all it is. And hope you made the good decision. Basically, we are in a decision making game. Yeah, no shit. Like everyone else. But yeah. Like they're stopping right here. Right? But for what reason? I don't know. They're stopping here, trying to make a double bottom. For what reason? Did they got the liquidity? Or are they just gonna initiate more longs before going down? Or this is a solid retrace, right? Or this is a solid move to the upside. So which one is it? Which one is it? Maybe waiting for a retrace and then shorting it is an option, right? Ooh, decent amount of volume flowing in. Are they gonna recover that vector? Like this is a vector over here. Are they gonna recover it and go down all the way back, or do they have enough momentum to keep on going higher? They recovered half of it. Now make or break. Nasdaq looks so interesting, but I don't want to long it. I don't want to go long, but it looks juicy to be long actually. So, like, it looks so fucking tempting to buy the Nasdaq. Like they're stopping right here. This is where they last time bounced. So it would make sense to buy Nasdaq here, but I don't really want to do that. But it would make sense. Like, yeah, at least up to here. So you would be able to move that stop loss at break even. So, yeah. Nah. Now look at that Nasdaq. It's bouncing. Stand by on a Dow Jones. I just bought the Dow Jones here. I just bought the Dow Jones here. Basically doing the opposite of a retailers, right? Retailers would go short right here. Seeing this candle, I went long. So who's gonna win? Me or the retailers? Right? Basically did the opposite of what retailer education would suggest you to do. And we'll see. We'll see. Stop loss for 40. I think I'm okay with that. That's like 60 points. I guess retailers are gonna win today. I guess they're giving out money to the retail traders. I guess. I guess so. You know what's the issue with the retail traders? They don't take profit. Or take it too quick, right? So And look at that. We longed basically at the gap, right? And I thought this could be a fake out, right? We'll see what's gonna happen. We'll see what's gonna happen. I'm in the position. I'm in longs. I made my decision. And I think this could be a fake out, right? Fake out to the downside. Now they're making some structure, but nothing to be happy about. Nothing to be happy about yet. We saw a little bit of profit for a split second. Now they rejected that area, same as they did here. Really similar price action, actually. Really fucking similar to whatever happened over here. They're kind of doing the same over here, so I should be cautious. Maybe take it out. Yeah, because they are. Now it seems like they could be rejecting it. Now it feels like I'm in the wrong here. Now it feels like I'm in the wrong. Really similar price action. You see that? Even the retrace and stopping at the resistance, and now they should make a move to the downside. We'll see. I'm not too happy about this one. Not happy at all, to be honest. But I guess I'm just gonna stick with it. Stick with the idea of them having a fake out, right? Of course, we're looking at 1 minute. 1 minute is a tricky one. But looking at the 5 minute is not looking that good too, right? It's not looking that good. 15 minute is looking okay, but not as good, right? Nothing is looking really good. Like for the longs, nothing is looking really good at this point. Maybe 1 minute is looking better for the longs, but we'll see. We'll see. Sellers just keep on stepping in at this level. At 500. At 500, sellers just keep on stepping in. Keep on stepping in on 500. Feels like they don't want to move above here because they will make a move higher, right? This is what it feels like. They don't want to let it. They don't want to let price go above it. But let's see. Now patience is key right now. Either we get stopped out or we see a move. Of course, I would like to see a move to the upside, right? And not get stopped out, but let me just wait it out. Stick to my guns. Stick to my decision and see what's gonna happen. Because at this point, anything can happen. Now we're pretty low, right? We're around that gap fill. So we'll see. So back at break even. Back at break even again. Is the 5 minute gonna repeat it one more time? Are they gonna repeat that pattern once again? Those wicks, right? And is it gonna be a last time they're doing it in the zone? So is that it? Is that it? Are they going down now? Is the 5 minute gonna repeat itself and then rip it? Of course, I would like to see it move. That's why I'm in the position still. But I'm just looking at the opposite side of what's really happened, right? They move up, they wick it. Move up, wick it. Same stuff here. They moved up, wicked it, moved up, wicked it, and then ripped it. Moved up, wicked it, moved up, wicked it, and now rip it, right? So we'll see. I'm not gonna take it out. Because they could just, yeah, move up. We'll see. We are 10 points in profit. I mean, we saw 10 points in profit. Come on, get above it. Come on, get above it. Is NASDAQ calling for a short? Is the NASDAQ calling for a shot? Dow Jones is not doing it. I might want to take it out. NASDAQ. Didn't took that shot on the NASDAQ. Fuck. So many good positions I didn't take today. I think that's it with the Dow Jones, right? I mean, like we can hope, right? You always have hope, but you know, you see how it's looking. Come on, just fake it out. Fake everyone out. Nobody's expecting that move to the upside. Nobody. Not even me. Nobody's expecting that move to the upside. Just do it. Now is the time to do it. Nobody expecting that move. Nobody's expecting that move to the upside. I'm telling you. I guess everybody's right. They worked that high. They've been working on the 500, waking it, getting the longs in. I'm tempted to close it. I'm really tempted to close it. Like it would make so much sense for them to go down. Yeah. I'm taking that Nasdaq short. I just took that Nasdaq short. Let me have my stop loss at. What the fuck? 870. It's $30. They should make a move. Let's see. Let's see if the Nasdaq can do it. That's my Nasdaq stop loss. And we shorted the support area. I'm stopped out of Dow Jones. I'm stopped out probably out of the Nasdaq too. I have an option to take it out now. We are at the support area, right, on a Nasdaq. They would probably want to initiate more liquidity before breaking this level. That would make a lot of sense for them to do. That would make a lot of sense for them to do. Before making that move to the downside, if they're gonna make it. I have an opportunity to close it and not be in it. So Dow Jones, yeah. Come on, Nasdaq. Maybe I do want to have that stop loss at break even already on a Nasdaq. If they're gonna make that move, they're gonna make that move, or at least up to here, right? Like if they get above here, that's it. I think that's it. If the Nasdaq gets above here. Yeah, let's have it right here. And I think we're done. That's it. Nasdaq stopped up, most likely, yeah. I mean, we shorted the support area. We just did the opposite of what we did on Dow Jones. Didn't work out. I mean, they're still trying to do something. I mean, I could close that break even, but let me just see what's gonna happen. Yeah, Dow Jones is going for that gap fill. Nasdaq is going up, and yeah, I think we're still in a profit. I think we're still in a profit today. Yeah, we are. So that's something, right? To look forward to. But today I'm not gonna trade the US session because of Thanksgiving, right? Now that Dow Jones is bouncing. From yesterday's daily lows. Nasdaq is also bouncing from support. With a lot of volume actually. Do I want to do the opposite on a Nasdaq and go long? Like it had a decent amount of volume on this move. Are they just gonna recover it all? Or are they gonna move out now? I'm buying the Nasdaq. Just bought the Nasdaq. Now stop loss should be around here. We think this double bottom could work out. And now we're basically just shooting. Come on, Nasdaq. Stop loss right here. Instantly, nice. Come on, Nasdaq. So we bet it on this double bottom. It had a lot of volume. We like that. And now we need to see them actually making it, actually doing it, right? So they got ejected off the 50 EMA right here for a little bit. Let's see. And if this doesn't work out, I might call it a day. Actually, don't wanna blow my profits, all of my profits today. So let's hope this Nasdaq can do it. It looks okay, right? I'm gonna move that stop loss. To break even, actually. Stop loss to break even on the Nasdaq. I want to see them. Come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So we have no risk on the Nasdaq. Of course, it can easily get stopped out, but I want to see that bigger move. And we have no risk, so. But knowing that they are like ranging a lot today, like I would not even expect them to move up. So Nasdaq, difficult to trade Nasdaq today, that's for sure. That's a little bit better. A little bit better. We need them to continue and doing that. Oh, come on. Come on, they have to shoot right now. They have to shoot right now. What are we done? They have to shoot right now. What are we done? Come on. I might be looking to take half of the position. Just to lock in something. Of course, I want a little bit more, but. They have to shoot for all of this resistance. That would be amazing, right? I didn't take out anything. Let me just see what's gonna happen. I didn't take out anything. We had around 15 points in profit. Now it feels like, yep. Didn't take out. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. You can do it. So that was shorts coming in above this bottom high. Now it would make sense for them to go down lower. I would not be surprised if they now decide to go down lower. Feels like this move is starting to stop, right? Feels like this move to the upside is starting to stop. But I'm gonna just hold it. Risk-free position. I could lock in. And that's me done. That's me done. So they just went above it. And now coming back down. We could buy previous bottom low on the Dow Jones. Like right here. Buying Dow Jones here. I'll add half of the position. I just bought the Dow Jones here. I might add half of the position. I'm adding half of the position. Just added half. Another half of the position. Come on, don't wake it. Stop loss, let's have it at we have the same stop loss on this. So 150%. So my stop loss should be 403. Adding to my Dow one more position. I've just added one more position to the Dow Jones. Now this is a massive one. And they so fucking easily can rip it down, right? So fucking easily rip it down. So fucking easily ripping it down. Not doing it. Let me have one stop loss at 14. Maybe got a little bit too aggressive too soon. But the idea is good. Buying below this bar, below this bar. My fill is not the best. And I have like 3 losing positions. It's gonna cost me. But yeah, Dow Jones is gonna rip it probably. Like this is a good area to be a buyer of. It is. It really is a good area to be a buyer of. But just the fact that they keep on going down lower, right? Just the fact that they are pushing lower, have a gap up situation on 1 hourly, right? So I think I'm just gonna have to eat it. I guess I'm just gonna have to eat it. They need to move right now. They need to move right now. And if they don't, I'll take my loss relatively quickly. Because this is I think I'm gonna say I did a mistake and close everything here. Yep, I'm out. I'm gonna call it a day. Today we're a little bit in profit, right? I made a mistake. I'm not gonna hold it until they stop me out. That's too big of a position. They did not do whatever I wanted. They did not do it. I think I'm done. Somehow that was a $20 loss. It's like 20-point loss. Like I don't really like it. None of these charts. Like we managed to pull off. Profit today, which is good. But sketchy day. I'm not gonna give it one more chance, am I? Am I gonna give it? I'm gonna give it one more chance. I just gave it one more chance. Only have a tight stop loss. And yeah. I'll have that stop loss at break even, risk free position. I'm not gonna push my luck. If I get stopped out, I'm done. And now I wanna add. Maybe I should just not do anything. Let me just have a break even and that's it. Let me just have a break even. Imagine if we didn't close those positions, right? Look at that. And I didn't add because I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to revenge trade, right? Now they are at resistance. I'm gonna wait it out, hope for the best. Not gonna take it out. Hoping for a bigger move. Risk free position. So let me just sit it out. Like 15 minute. 15 minutes is looking okay, right? 1 minute is looking okay. But let's just see. I'll take out my earpiece. Probably done here. Probably done here. Still managed to take profit today. That is good. That is always good. Right. It's better than losing. And let's see how's this Dow is gonna play out. Most likely stop loss at break even, so most likely we're gonna hit that stop loss. That's a resistance. So anything could happen, but I think they might be not done yet. Should have maybe taken out half or something, but yeah, whatever. Risk free position. If they're gonna give me more, I'm happy. If they won't, I'm okay. I made money today. Not a lot, like 100, maybe 200 max. Yeah, maybe 200, 200 maximum today. So, yeah, I think 200 today. Right now. We need to see volume flowing in to make that move. It looks okay. The structure looks okay, right? I really do like the 15 minute. I really do like the 15 minute. Basically bought the wick. But, doesn't mean that. Doesn't mean shit, basically. It is so fucking tempting to add. Might copy the stop loss. I want to see a little bit more. Like, I don't want to lose, right? I don't want to lose. That's why I'm struggling to add. Just want to look in the profit that I have today, even if it's 200. Can buy in Dow Jones here again. Same stop loss as on a previous position. We're risking like, I don't know, like 20. So basically that would be a break-even day. And that's me done. I'll have that stop loss right below this low on both of the positions. Wait, it's not letting me move it. Maybe I should add the stop loss break even on the add-on too, right? Yeah, you know what? Let me have it. Wait, I'm not. That's the wrong one. Let me move that stop loss. Like it's moving the wrong position. Why it's not letting me? Hello? Hello? The fuck is this? Why is it not letting me move that position? The fuck? I'll have to close it manually then. Like they just didn't let me move the stop loss. The fuck is this bullshit? Right. I don't know what I could do. Do I have enough time for that? I think I don't. I'll close that break even. Now I have one position left. Yeah, basically one position left. Close that one at break even. Now this one is going for that stop loss. Well, didn't do it. It just didn't do it. It looked good for a moment. For a moment, I did like it. And then it all fell down. Then it all fell down. Damn, am I gonna do the same again? Am I gonna add one more time? Like, nah, it's crazy. I'm not gonna do that. But 15-minute is looking good. It's still looking good on a 15-minute. With just the fact that I don't wanna get stopped out and all. You know? Like they can easily make a bounce. But I just don't wanna get stopped out and then seeing them move when I had two positions open. Right, so surprisingly we're still in this one. Surprisingly. Like what? Nasdaq longs. Maybe I'll do it with half of the position size. Maybe I'll go Nasdaq long with half of the position size. I went long on a Nasdaq with half of the position size. I just saw an opportunity. That's why I took it. And I'll have to close it manually. Probably I don't have enough time to do it like that. 20,890. Yeah, you know what? Let me just have it right here. $7 is okay. Nasdaq is not doing it. I just wanted to catch that retrace. I thought maybe they're gonna make that move to the upside. Didn't do it. That's cool with me. Surprisingly, we are still in Dow Jones, and we are like $100 up on a day. We lost like 70 here. Nasdaq is so nasty today. Like the price action is unbearable. Well, Dow Jones is now stuck. So we can still make a decent profit if Dow Jones moves. Like if Dow Jones moves, right? So they're kind of trying to make a bottom right here in a way. Trying to make a bottom. But no volume, no money flowing in, just wick staying at the same zone. So do I just want to take it out or want to see it move? Or do I think they're gonna make a move? Like the Nasdaq is actually nasty today. Look at that 15 minute. 15 minute on a Nasdaq up and down, up and down. Just straight up bullshit. Straight up bullshit behavior on the Nasdaq. Right? Dow Jones is looking better. So maybe we are gonna have a okay day today. Come on, break the high, break the high. Decent move, come on. Keep on doing that. Come on, push it up, push it up, push it up. Come on, buyers. Step in. Not enough volume. Don't like that. Don't like that it is no vol. It has almost like the volume is declining. They're going up. But until they go up, I'm good. As long as they keep on going up, I'm good. Yeah, a little bit frustrating. My add-on, like taking it out. I break even. Now this is a big zone. Make or break, basically. Like this 5 minute is really important for the Dow Jones. They have to hold it. If they hold this level, happy days. Happy fucking days. Come on. Come on down. It looks okay. Right? It looks not that bad. Of course they're struggling. They have to be struggling. Coming out of the downtrend, but the volume is not that nice. I'm gonna take out half here. Take out half. Now, I don't. Let's see what's gonna happen. Right now, let's see what's gonna happen. Like the entry is really good, right? I think I'll just have to sit it out again. So stay tuned, right? I'm not gonna touch the Nasdaq. I will not touch that. Dow Jones is trying to make that bottom solidify, right? They're trying to solidify this bottom. Same with the 15 minute. We got pretty lucky, right? That we didn't got stopped out right there. But, we still lost on this session. I mean, Not a lot. If I take out profit now, that would be not a lot. That would be small loss. So maybe I do want to do that. Maybe done. Maybe I do. Let's give it a little bit more time. Like 3 more minutes, right? Until the 5 minute close. They could go, they could be in 3 minutes over here, right? Or they could be over here in 3 minutes. So how solid is this bounce? Like yeah, they could actually on 15 minute. It looks like they could have a bigger move to the upside. Like look at the 15 minute, 5 minute looks limited. 1 minute, but the 15 minute. And if we are basing our decision off of the 15 minute, we should just hold it. It has 2 more minutes until 15 minute candle closes. We would like to see it close at the highs. That would suggest me that okay, that's nice, right? So let's see. Pretty important high, but I think we could just rip through this high. Let's see. Come on, rip it. Come on down. It's good that I didn't touch the Nasdaq. Look, I would be in a position that would be like, oh, what the fuck is going on, right? But Dow Jones is looking okay. They're a pretty big resistance zone. 5 minute is okay, right? It's not perfect. I really want this 1 minute to close like at the highs, at least. But even green, if this 1 minute closes green, I'm happy as hell. So we have 20 seconds. Feels like sellers are stepping in at this high. Nasdaq is ripping it to the downside. Maybe I should take out the profit. Just because the Nasdaq. Just because of the Nasdaq. Let's see. We did give it 3 more minutes, so what are we gonna do now? You know what? I was ready to close it here. So how about I have that stop loss over here? No, let's not do that. Let me just take it out manually. Come on down. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, no, I'm sad that my add-on, that I took out my add-on. Well, whatever. I should be looking to take profit around this area. Come on. So basically a break-even session if I close it here. I'm good. I'm closing it here. Basically break even. Break even. Oh, oopsie. Basically break even, right? I'm tired. It was okay. We made money today. That's good. But not as good as it could have been, right? Like we had a shit ton of positions stacked right here on the Dow Jones. We just got scared and we took it out. That would have made us shit ton of money. Well, it is what it is, what it is, right? You just have to deal with whatever you have, and I'm okay. I'm okay. So, take care. All the best. I'll not trade US. Maybe I'll trade morning EU session, but yeah, that's me done. Take care. Peace out. I'm tired. Look at that Dow Jones. Just keeps on going, right? Like yeah, that 15-minute I was looking at played out, and based off of 15-minute, that would be expecting them to go even higher. But I said like, okay. I said to myself, okay, I'm at break even. I'm tired. Let me take it out. That's it. Okay, so peace out. Take care. That's me done.